Hello viewers, welcome to Tap Tech. When you buy a premium smartwatch like the Apple Watch Ultra, you expect it to do more than just tell the time or track your steps. You want it to be fast, responsive, and reliable every second you use it. That's where performance becomes critical. And for the Apple Watch Ultra 3, this is one area where we expect to see real change. The most talked about upgrade in this generation is the processor. Apple is rumored to be working on a brand new silicon chip, likely called the S10. This chip will power the Ultra 3, and if the leaks are accurate, it could deliver a huge boost in performance. That means apps will open faster. Menus will scroll more smoothly. Touch responses will feel instant. Everything you do on the watch will just feel more fluid, but speed isn't the only benefit. Efficiency is just as important, maybe even more so. Because no matter how powerful a chip is, if it drains the battery too fast, it's not helpful. Apple knows this. That's why they're expected to design the new chip not just for power, but for balance. The goal is to give users the best of both worlds, high performance and longer battery life. And here's where things get even more interesting. Apple might be building this new chip with artificial intelligence in mind. You've probably seen how AI features are becoming more common in iPhones and iPads. Things like smart photo editing, real-time language translation, and personalized recommendations. While the Ultra 3 might not have the space or battery capacity to run advanced AI fully on its own, it will likely be designed to work closely with your iPhone. The idea is simple: let your phone do the heavy lifting, and let your watch use those results in real time. Think of the Ultra 3 as a smart companion. One that feels faster and smarter because of better hardware, even if it's not doing everything on its own. And this balance between speed and efficiency will likely show up in daily use. From checking messages to starting workouts or navigating with GPS, everything should feel quicker, smoother, and more seamless. Another possible upgrade is in connectivity. Apple may include improved wireless chips in the Ultra 3. This could mean better Bluetooth stability, faster Wi-Fi connections, or even more precise location tracking through enhanced GPS support. For athletes, travelers, and explorers, this could be a real game changer. A better connection means more accurate data, quicker syncing, and fewer interruptions. These performance upgrades also tie into the way the watch interacts with apps and accessories. If you use fitness gear, Bluetooth headphones, or smart home devices, a faster and more efficient Ultra 3 will likely improve how those things work together. Fewer lags. Fewer drops. More reliable results. What's important to remember here is that Apple doesn't usually advertise raw specs the way other brands do. They rarely focus on gigahertz, RAM, or core counts. Instead, they focus on how the technology helps the user. And that's what you can expect here too. A better chip will mean real improvements in everyday tasks, even if you don't always see the numbers behind it. To sum up, performance is one of the most important parts of any smartwatch. And with the Ultra 3, we're likely to see Apple take a big step forward. A new chip, smarter processing, better efficiency, and tighter iPhone integration all point to a device that won't just feel faster, it will feel more helpful, more reliable, and more capable than ever before. For more exciting videos, subscribe to my channel Tap Tech and don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates.